Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to make a flower string figure. This will be an easy string trick tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a large string loop right here, and you can use one that's a bit smaller than this, but I'm just going to use this larger one because it's easier to work with. What you want to do is take the end of the string loop that you see right there, and you want to place it in between, just in the webbing right here, between your index finger and your middle finger right here. So place it like that. Then on the upper side of your hand right here, on the top of your hand, you're going to take it and then you're going to open it up. So you're opening it up and placing it around those same two fingers, okay? As you can see right here. So it looks like that now. Now we're going to take this, we're actually going to pull it out, we're going to twist it to the right and then bring it back over those two fingers again. Okay, so that's what it looks like so far. You're going to tighten this up just a bit, but not too tightly. Okay, now as you can see, we have these two little strings right here in the webbing. One is closer to the pinky side and one is closer to the thumb side. We're going to work with the one that's closer to the pinky side first. I'm going to pull this string out, once again right here in the webbing of my fingers. I'm going to pull this string out like this. I'm going to twist it to the right towards the pinky and just wrap it around the pinky like that. Then I'm going to get the other string over here, which is still in the webbing. I'm going to pull it out, okay? I'm going to twist it to the left towards the thumb, and then I'm going to place it around the thumb like that. I'm going to pull it a little bit more tightly. Now we're almost done. As you can see, we have this string right here that's on the back side of the middle finger and the index finger. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this string, we're going to pull it over the other finger. So I'm taking it, and I'm just going to pull it over these fingers like that, okay? And that's going to form the center of the flower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull everything down like this, and I'm going to pull just a little bit on this right here. And what we're going to get is we're going to get a really cool flower, because the piece that we pulled over is going to form the center. So I'm just tightening everything up. And as you can see, just like that, when I take it off from my fingers, what we've created is a flower. And I'll show you in just a moment right here. If I pull it off from my fingers, what I've created is a beautiful string flower. Let's just make sure that you can see it properly. As you can see right here, this is the flower. It has all of these petals right over here, and then it hangs down. That's what the flower looks like. I know it's rather hard to see, but there we go. That's probably a little bit better. There's a flower right there. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.